Hibiscus tea is an herbal drink made from steeping fresh or dried hibiscus flower in water. It is totally caffeine-free drink. The tea is naturally red color. Bright red hibiscus flower colors the water and flavors it. Hibiscus plant is known for its large bright colored flowers, and it is grown in regions with tropical temperatures. Boiling water can take out flavors and colors. This herbal drink helps to reduce blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Also, it has antiviral properties. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our YouTube channel.